In this episode of Data Bytes, I'll show you how to make the most of the new Markdown widget to customize, contextualize, and create better dashboards. We'll also go through a few use case examples so you can try them out yourself. First, let's talk about what Markdown is. Markdown is a lightweight syntax format that makes your text easy to read. So for example, you can format your text in different headings, different bullet lists, ordered lists, bolding, italics, strike through, and more. You can also add links and add images. On top of that, you can also add a number of different elements such as checklists, code blocks, and even create tables. When it comes to tables, note that I can control the alignment of text by adding colons to the left, right, or both sides of the rows with dashes. The widget supports any Markdown syntax supported by GitHub. To start, simply click the plus sign to add to your dashboard or click an empty space in your dashboard and click the Markdown option. On the left, you'll get a snippet of Markdown, and then on the right, you'll see a preview where you can see the changes happen in real time. And if you want a refresher, just hover over this tooltip to see more examples of what you can create in Markdown. Now that you know how to add and edit a Markdown widget, let's go over a few use cases tips. First, you can use the Markdown widgets to explain how a dashboard works. For example, this Markdown widget explains that I can use the chart on the left to filter the rest of the dashboard. It also gives me links to click to learn more about Nurgle. Note this icon, meaning that it'll take me out of the new Relic platform. But what if I want to bookmark something inside of New Relic? For example, I have a dashboard here that monitors the services related to my e-commerce dashboard where I sell parody tees. In here, I have a Markdown widget that shows me links to the cart service and billing service with relevant links to APM views, dashboard, and logs views. So let's click on the APM view. And just like that, I can get to the APM view straight from my dashboard, and I can drill deeper to find more insights. Now, to copy one of these links, all you have to do is go to the top corner and select Copy Permalink. Today, we saw a few ways the Markdown widget can help you create richer, more shareable dashboards with some example use cases. But there's so much more you can do, including creating to-do lists, providing code snippets, explaining complicated Nurgle queries, creating reference guides, and much, much more. Feel free to share your own ideas in the comments. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time.